Welcome back. It is now the morning, probably like 8 something, 15ish in the morning. Uh, Sleeping for 4 hours isn't the best. But I'm about to finish this guitar. So, there is a bit of work to do yet left here. I have to get the connections on this jack sorted out for these new power deliveries, and then I'm gonna have to pull the old rotary encoders out, put the new potentiometers in, and then solder them to this, and then test it. Then test it. And then if it works, I'll have another MIDI server to write in Python. Hoo boy, programming. So, I'm a little bit anxious right now. We'll see if this works. I'm going to hit this power button. I'm expecting to see a tiny little blue flash from the LED on the ESP as it starts up, and then it's going to immediately, as soon as the Wi-Fi on the Raspberry Pi comes up, it'll connect to it and start blasting serial data its way. Then I'll SSH in and start up that server and see if it's giving me accurate results. Or, yeah, that's the thing. Oh boy. It flashed. That's good news for me. Okay, let's SSH in. Oh, it will help if I connect the Ethernet. Okay, I think that's working, and if I rotate one of these knobs, it goes all the way down, it goes all the way up, down and up, down and up, down and up. Holy crap, I think that's working. You can see it's complaining a bit every once in a while, bed split on data. That's it warning me about some stuff, so probably have a couple more kinks to work out. That's one of the knobs turning. Here's another knob turning. Yeah, so this works. This works more or less on the first try. And I don't have the switches hooked up properly yet in the programming, so I'll have to adjust that. But I can do that. If you see, it's kind of hesitant and dropping some stuff every once in a while. I suspect that that's because the teensy is struggling, because the teensy is the thing that does the stuff that passes the data to the ESP, and the ESP on that little board has all sorts of extra capacitance to help it power through its Wi-Fi delivery, but my guess is the teensy itself is missing some on that 5 volt after the whole 25-foot cable, so I'm probably gonna go and put an extra fat electrolytic capacitor or two on the inside of there on the guitar and see if that makes a difference. Okay, this is gonna be the first time I'm turning this on and testing this new wireless technology. Magnetic pickups, acoustic. Sounds like you got a weird something there. But turning the knobs doesn't affect it. Huh. Actually, it does on that one. thumbs up because I think that mostly works. That also means that I have the capability to do more wireless stuff on the guitar, like hook up more controls and just broadcast the stuff wirelessly to a listening Python server that I will have to write on the Raspberry Pi. Now I have to get the rest of this hardware all set up like permanently and wait for the knobs to come in. Mighty victory. Scope creep forever.